Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have my current morning routine. This is my morning routine when I want to get up and film a video. I also work from home. If you guys didn't know, I'm a part-time social media manager. So this overall is my more productive morning routine when I want to get stuff done. So on these types of days, I typically try to wake up before 9 o'clock if I can, give my dog some morning scratchies, and I also make my bed pretty much mostly because I will get back in it if I don't make it, but I really like a clean, organized space. I like my bed to be made before I move on with anything else in my day. Next up, I am heading into my closet to get dressed, and on these days where I'm just staying home and working from home, I will keep it really comfy and casual, just pick out a t-shirt and some leggings, but I always like to change out of my pajamas that I slept in. I really feel like this helps me to be more productive, even if it means changing into other comfy clothes or another set of pajamas. It just really helps me to not spend the day in the clothes that I slept in. So here are just some toiletries and stuff that I use. My current favorite deodorant, the Crest 3D White Toothpaste, is what I use to brush my teeth. Sometimes I will throw on a perfume or a body spray if I'm staying home. This is my current favorite, and I know it's really old and expired. It's like this orange color, but it still smells really good. I still use it. I throw on some Vaseline to hydrate my lips. This is definitely a must this time of year, as well as slippers to keep my feet nice and warm and cozy when I go downstairs. So one of the first things that I do when I head downstairs is bundle up in this really long coat that I like to call the sleeping bag. It's from Old Navy, and it's absolutely amazing to take my dog outside if I need to go outside on a walk. And as you guys can see, we have been getting so much snow here in New York. It really feels like it's non-stop, but my dog Max absolutely loves to go for walks in the snow. He does his business, he loves to play in the snow, and it's just one of his favorite morning activities. So when we come back inside, it is breakfast time for the both of us. I always put down a bowl of his kibble, but as you guys can see, he's usually not very interested, and he's more interested in whatever I'm going to be cooking myself for breakfast. And I always start off with brewing my coffee because I don't know if I'm weird, I don't know about you guys, but I don't like to drink my coffee when it's piping hot, freshly brewed. I like to let it cool down a little bit, so it's the first thing that I do when I start making my breakfast. I'm just drinking a buttery caramel coffee, and I like to drink my coffee black. And I really wanted to show you guys this mug as a reminder. It says you are capable of amazing things, so just your daily reminder. Definitely don't forget that. But I'm going to enjoy my coffee and let it cool down a little bit, as I said, while I cook the rest of my breakfast. And this right here is my obsession. I was part of the millions of people that got an air fryer for Christmas, and I am absolutely obsessed with it, you guys. I literally sometimes use it 3 times a day for every single meal. This is the Chefman air fryer. I believe it's from Target, and it's around $40, I believe. But I started cooking my breakfast sausages in the air fryer. I love this brown and served turkey sausage. It comes out so amazing in the air fryer. So I have a couple of those. I'm going to be cooking a fried egg. You guys know, I'm pretty sure I've showed a breakfast very similar to this here on my channel, but I have this mini egg pan. I'm just going to be spraying some non-stick cooking spray, cracking the egg in there, and then just letting it cook. As I said, you guys have seen me make so many different breakfasts, I feel, but I always break my yolk because I like a flat yolk on my egg. And I feel like whenever I'm filming myself flipping an egg, it's always a total fail. But these are a mini pan and a mini spatula as well. Both are from Home Goods. They are so convenient for cooking eggs. I threw some cheese on there to melt, and yes, I am toasting some bread in the air fryer. This actually works, you guys, and as you can see, the bread comes out so good. It's so fast. To me, it's way faster than the toaster. And it's just really convenient because I didn't have to plug the toaster in as well. So I put my egg on my toast. I'm doing a little everything bagel seasoning, some crushed red pepper flakes because I like everything spicy, And that is breakfast, you guys. I've been obsessed with clementines as well. That's my current fruit of choice. So I'm just going to enjoy my breakfast now. I've been watching Criminal Minds on Netflix. It's really good. I have to say, so far I'm not totally obsessed, but I've heard really good things and I'm hoping that it gets better as I keep on watching. So now I'm heading into my bathroom to do my hair, and on this day I am straightening my hair because I am filming a YouTube video, as I mentioned, and as I'm sure you guys can see, on these types of days I am pretty lazy with straightening my hair. I don't section it or anything, and I pretty much just focus on the front and the top layer because that is what is going to be showing in my YouTube videos. So I'm just quickly straightening my hair, and I don't put any products in my hair during the day because I put everything in my hair after my nighttime shower. So you can definitely go check out my shower routine video, or I can film an updated nighttime routine video for you guys if that's something you would like to see. But my hair is done. As you guys can see, it looks nice from the front. It's definitely not perfect in the back, but that doesn't matter because no one will be able to see it. And then I will grab my phone to get that charging for the rest of the day, and I will move on over to my vanity / desk area where I will start doing my makeup. So my makeup look definitely changes day to day. A lot of days I won't do makeup if I'm not filming a video or something like that. But for today's look, I decided to go very typical bronzy glam, the makeup that I know that looks good on camera, and I'm using a lot of my tried and true products today. This Makeup by Mario palette has been one of my absolute favorites for day-to-day makeup. All of these shades are just perfection. If I don't know what makeup look I want to do, this is the palette I will grab because it's just a no-brainer. It's so easy to blend and work with. I just absolutely love these matte shades. And then on my lid, I'm taking the bronzy shade from one of my other favorites, the ColourPop Nude Mood palette. My base makeup today is, again, products that I love to use all the time. This is my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm using that with their Putty Primer Applicator. The spatula on this is incredible. I've been obsessed with this applicator, but if you guys see me looking down a lot, it is because I love watching YouTube while I do my makeup. This is probably the most YouTube that I watch all day long, is while I'm getting ready and doing my makeup. It's just very relaxing and therapeutic for me, and I love watching other videos of people getting ready. It feels like I'm getting ready with one of my friends or something like that, and I've been loving watching Learning to Be Fearless here on YouTube. I have been obsessed with all of her videos, and I think on this particular day I watched, I don't know, like 5 or 6 videos while I got ready. I love her vlogs so much. And lastly, for this makeup look, I had to shout out this lipstick that I have been loving. This is the Fenty Beauty Slip Shine Sheer Shiny Lipstick in the shade Glazed. I love this. It is the perfect way to finish off this makeup look. It is definitely one of the most comfortable and beautiful lipstick formulas that I've tried in a really, really long time. But this is my finished makeup look for filming today. I love doing this really pretty bronzy, warm look. And now it is time to clean up my space, because once I'm done doing my makeup here, as you guys can see, it gets pretty messy. I kind of just throw stuff on my vanity, so I like to put everything back in its space. space in my organized collection. And I like to clean this up because I also work here. So you guys will see in a second, I will go ahead and clean it up, grab my planner, grab my laptop, and I bring everything back to my vanity. It kind of also doubles as my work from home / desk space. A planner is an absolute necessity for me, especially being both a YouTuber and having another part-time job as a social media manager. Having a planner just helps me really organize my content. I write down when content is going up on social media for my job. I write down what videos I have to film, what videos I have to edit, or other appointments I might have. It just really helps me stay really organized. I know I've talked about using a planner on my channel in the past, but a huge part of my job is engaging with the community on social media. So I will go on, reply to comments, reply to DMs, as well as reply to some emails. And then I will also spend some time doing content creation on Canva as well. So a lot of computer work, a lot of phone work. I spend some time doing this. And then once everything is done for my social media job, I will set up to film a YouTube video. So here I'm just setting up all of my lighting and kind of transforming my space into my little studio. I do have a whole video up on my channel about all of my equipment. If that is something you guys are interested in, I will put it in a card right here so you could see what lighting and everything I use. But this is what I see when I film my videos, all of my equipment. Then I will go ahead and grab my YouTube notebook, which is where I keep all of my video ideas and the products that I need for a certain video. So today I filmed the 21 questions makeup edition tag, so I'm pulling the products for that. This video was so much fun to film. It is up on my channel if you guys want to go check it out, but I would say filming takes me usually between like 1 to 3 hours depending on the type of video that I'm filming, but this tag took me only around an hour to film. It was really quick and easy, and I had a lot of fun filming it. So by the time I am done filming my videos, it is typically already the afternoon and time for lunch or something like that. So I'm really quickly just going to clean up the kitchen from my breakfast, wash all of the dishes, and then I decided that I really needed to drink some water because filming makes me so thirsty, and I'm really trying to be better with drinking water and I always forget. So I'm just filling up my cup, and on this day I actually had some errands to run. So this is my super comfy outfit, just some leggings and an oversized hoodie, my new purse from Target. I've been taking this with me everywhere, and I'm just going to toss on my mask. I love this Friends mask. If I could find it, I will have it linked down below. But that's really it, you guys. I'm going to run some errands, and that is going to complete my morning routine. I really hope that you guys enjoyed seeing this video and spending time with me today. If you did, and if you want to see more routine videos in the future, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel before you leave. I would love to have you guys here as part of my little YouTube fam. If you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, click that notification bell down below and you'll get notified every single time that I upload a new video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.